It's the 19th of February. Just added another coin to the portfolio, Alchemy. Looking at daily chart, so you can see volumes just started coming in since the 26th, and there's nothing really. So something's happening here. So on the daily chart, we peaked, pulled back to the Fibonacci retracement, and we've headed back up. So I'd say that's a bottom. It broke through at 389. Let's at least try and target up here. 856. I went in a bit early, but I just thought it's worth a punt, as you do. So this is now looking at the 1 hour chart. So I've made the purchase, so it's made its run up and it's consolidating, not falling over. So I made the purchase with a stop at 0.033. If I get taken out, it's 5% loss. But I think there's a lot more upside, especially if it can break through the blue line there. Okay, just in terms of update today, TRX went long again, went long today. Stopping at 240, 24.01. UST, USD. So went in at 0169, stop at 0163. And XRP. You can see we broke the uptrend line, breaking through this critical line, support resistance line. So that looks like it's on its way. Alright, so that's an update on the portfolio. As for the big boy, Bitcoin, so the hourly chart's looking, it's big. I will look on the daily chart. So it's still consolidating. I mean, we're still in this uptrend line. So a perfect position would be for it to keep going like this until it hits the uptrend line. But I guess when all these altcoins is just avoid leverage. You see these wicks here. They can take you out. It might look like a good one, but it'll just take out your buy, and then it'll just get your stop wiped out here. So there's no such thing really as avoid leverage. Been there, because it's too volatile. These wicks, they come and take you out. So you might get the direction right, but the little flip downs on these wicks. Anyway, everyone to themselves. Alright, if you like it, please subscribe. See ya.